Look at these two sentences. Wrong. He play cricket right now. Correct. He is playing cricket right now. Why is the first sentence wrong? And why do we need is and playing? If these questions confuse you, this lesson is for you. Today you'll master present continuous tense with simple rules, easy examples, and speaking practice. Stay until the end, because there's a fun challenge waiting for you. Let's begin. Today's topic is present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? We use present continuous tense to talk about actions happening right now. Look at these sentences. I am reading a book. She is cooking dinner. He is playing cricket. They are watching TV. What do you notice? All these actions are happening at this moment. That's why we use present continuous tense. The formula is very simple. Is am, are, plus verb ing. For example, I am reading. She is cooking. They are watching. This is one of the most useful tenses in everyday English. We use it when we talk about what is happening now. So let's learn it step by step with easy examples and speaking practice. Present continuous tense has three main uses. 1. Actions happening right now. 2. Actions happening around this time. 3. Future plans. Use 1. Actions happening right now. We use present continuous tense for things happening at this moment. I am eating lunch. She is drinking tea. He is talking on the phone. The baby is sleeping. My mother is cooking food. Use 2. Actions happening around this time. We use it for actions that are happening these days, even if not at this exact moment. I am studying for my exams. She is learning English these days. He is working on a new project. We are practicing English every day. They are preparing for their interview. Use 3. Future plans. We also use present continuous tense for plans we have already made. I am going to Delhi tomorrow. She is meeting her friend tonight. He is joining a new job next week. We are traveling to Mumbai this weekend. They are coming to our house on Sunday. Now let's learn the sentence structure. It is very simple. Positive sentences. Subject plus is verb am/are plus verb ing. I am reading. You are working. He is playing. She is cooking. It is raining. We are learning. They are watching. Remember this rule. I right pointing arrow am. He, she, it right pointing arrow is you, we, they right pointing arrow are. Negative sentences. Subject plus is/am/are plus not plus verb ing. I am not sleeping. He is not working. She is not eating. We are not going. They are not playing. Short forms. He isn't working. She isn't eating. We aren't going. They aren't playing. Question sentences. Is photos/am/are plus subject plus verb ing. Am I doing this correctly? Is he sleeping? Is she cooking? Are we going to the park? Are they watching TV? Now let's look at easy daily use examples. I am writing a letter. She is reading a book. He is eating his lunch. We are playing in the garden. They are singing a song. My father is watching the news. My sister is doing her homework. The dog is running in the park. It is raining outside. The children are playing cricket. I am not going to school today. She is not drinking tea right now. He is not sleeping. We are not watching TV. Are you listening to me? Is she cooking food? Is he talking on the phone? Are they coming to the party? What are you doing? Where are you going?
Now let's practice questions and answers. I will ask a question. You answer it. Ready? Let's go.
Question. What are you doing? Answer. I am reading a book. Question. Is she cooking food? Answer. Yes, she is cooking food. Question. Is he playing cricket? Answer. Yes, he is playing cricket. Question. Are they watching TV? Answer. Yes, they are watching TV. Question. Where are you going? Answer. I am going to the market. Question. Is it raining outside? Answer. Yes, it is raining outside. Question. Are you studying English? Answer. Yes, I am studying English. Question. What is your mother doing? Answer. My mother is cooking food. Question. Is your father sleeping? Answer. No, my father is not sleeping. Question. Are you listening to the teacher? Answer. Yes, I am listening to the teacher. Question. Is she talking on the phone? Answer. Yes, she is talking on the phone. Question. Are you going to school today? Answer. No, I am not going to school today. Question. What is the baby doing? Answer. The baby is sleeping. Question. Are they playing in the garden? Answer. Yes, they are playing in the garden. Question. Is he eating his lunch? Answer. Yes, he is eating his lunch. Question. Are you working from home today? Answer. Yes, I am working from home today. Question. What are the children doing? Answer. The children are playing cricket. Question. Is she wearing a red dress? Answer. Yes, she is wearing a red dress. Question. Are you feeling better now? Answer. Yes, I am feeling better now. Question. Is the dog barking? Answer. Yes, the dog is barking.
Now, let's look at common mistakes. Many beginners make these mistakes. Let's correct them together.
Mistake 1. Forgetting is, am, or are. Wrong. She cooking food. Correct. She is cooking food. Wrong. I reading a book. Correct. I am reading a book. Wrong. They playing cricket. Correct. They are playing cricket. Remember, always use is, am, or are in present continuous tense. Mistake 2. Forgetting ing at the end of the verb. Wrong. She is cook food. Correct. She is cooking food. Wrong. He is play cricket. Correct. He is playing cricket. Wrong. I am read a book. Correct. I am reading a book. Remember, always add ing to the verb. Mistake 3. Using wrong helping verb. Wrong. I is going to school. Correct. I am going to school. Wrong. He are eating food. Correct. He is eating food. Wrong. They is watching TV. Correct. They are watching TV. Remember, I, right pointing arrow am. He, she, it, right pointing arrow is. You, we, they, right pointing arrow are. Mistake 4. Confusing present simple and present continuous. Present simple is for habits and routines. Present continuous is for actions happening right now. Wrong. She is drinking tea every morning. Correct. She drinks tea every morning. Habit. Use present simple. Wrong. He plays cricket right now. Correct. He is playing cricket right now. Happening now. Use present continuous. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Say each sentence clearly and loudly. I am reading a book. She is cooking food. He is playing cricket. We are learning English. They are watching TV. Good. Now repeat the negative sentences. I am not sleeping. She is not eating lunch. He is not going to school today. We are not watching TV right now. They are not playing in the park. Excellent. Now repeat the question sentences. Are you listening to me? Is she cooking food? Is he sleeping? Are they playing cricket? What are you doing right now? Very good. You are doing excellent. Keep practicing every day. Now let's do a final practice. I will give you the words. You make the sentence. Number 1. She/read/a book/right now. Right pointing arrow. She is reading a book right now. Number 2. He/not/sleep. Right pointing arrow. He is not sleeping. Number 3. They/watch/TV. Right pointing arrow. Are they watching TV? Number 4. My mother/cook/food. Right pointing arrow. My mother is cooking food. Number 5. It/rain/outside. Right pointing arrow. It is raining outside. Number 6. I/not/go/to school today. Right pointing arrow. I am not going to school today. Number 7. Is/she/talk/on the phone. Right pointing arrow. Is she talking on the phone? Number 8. The children/play/in the garden. Right pointing arrow. The children are playing in the garden. Number 9. We/learn/English/these days. Right pointing arrow. We are learning English these days. Number 10. What/you/do/right now. Right pointing arrow. What are you doing right now?
Excellent work. You have learned present continuous tense very well today. So today we learned present continuous tense. We learned 3 uses. We learned is, am, are with verb ing. We practiced positive, negative, and question sentences. We also corrected common mistakes. Now practice these sentences every day. Read them again and again. Speak slowly. Repeat loudly. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Thanks for watching Learn English Success. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence.